Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your Meta AI glass to your phone. Make sure your AI glass is charged fully. The way you know it's charged fully is you see the green light appears. If it's orange, it might be not fully charged, but it still works. But it's better to do it fully charged. It will turn to green. Okay. So what you do is first you need to go and download this Meta AI app. So I already have installed. This is the app. You have to just type it in the App Store, Meta AI, and then you will get this app. Okay, then this is the app right here. Okay, glasses. Currently I don't have any glasses appears, and it automatically appears, like if the glass is already if it's already unpaired, and it automatically shows up in your device. If it doesn't shows up, then you have to manually do it, like open and close, open once, and then in the back there's a button. You have to press and hold it for a while. And it turns blue. So once it in blue, it's in pairing mode. Now if you go and click add glasses, this one will pop up. So you just click connect here. Okay, and then pair. And the glass is paired. Okay. So once the glass is paired, it's gonna ask for your Wi-Fi network. So I'm gonna just give mine. Okay, then I connect my Wi-Fi. And then next, and it's gonna show you some tutorial. You can just skip it. Continue. And if you have just first time, it's better to go through this tutorial so you know that what is the functionality is, and then do this later, finish setup. And now my glass is connected. Now I can say hey Meta, record a video, and it will start recording. So I can just start wearing this one. It's already connected, so I have to just start wearing and say commands, and it will listen to it. Okay, that's it for this video. See you guys on my next video.